Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Open system settings and grant any accessibility or full disk access permissions that writing apps request because they need file and shortcut control. Next, install or update your chosen app and sign into iCloud if you want sync. Once done, create a dedicated writing folder and point the app at it. This keeps versions and backups tidy. Make sure autosave and version history are enabled so you don't lose drafts mid-session. Now configure your workspace so you can write without friction. Adjust font size, line height, and page width to reduce eye strain because comfortable layout boosts productivity. Enable built-in grammar and spelling checks and add style rules or third-party integrations for advanced feedback. Next, create custom keyboard shortcuts for common actions to speed the process. Once that's in place, connect external services like Dropbox, Git, or publication endpoints. This automates syncing and lets you export to multiple formats. Begin drafting with focused intervals, using outlines and comments to structure revisions because clear structure shortens editing time. When you're ready, export in the necessary formats: docx for editors, PDF for print, EPUB for ebooks, and inspect exported files for layout issues. If something goes wrong, first toggle permissions in system settings, then re-authenticate cloud services and restart the app. Most sync or permission errors resolve that way. Finally, save a local backup before major changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.